In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to customize the header and footer of your website. If you want your site to look clean, professional, and aligned with your brand, stick with me. I'll make it super easy. Let's jump right in. Log into your dashboard, then click Website in the left-hand menu and select Design. You'll see your current theme there. Click Customize to open the editor. Let's start at the top of the website with the header. In the left panel, click on the header section. Here, you'll see several customization options. If your website supports a shopping cart, you can enable it by checking the cart option. If your site doesn't support a cart, this option won't appear, which is why you may not see in the header. You'll also find color customization options for the header. You can change the text color, which applies to menu items, social icons, and other text in the header. There's also a hover color, which appears when users hover over menu items, and an active color for the selected menu item. You can adjust these colors to match your brand, and if needed, you can always revert to the original colors. Another useful feature is the sticky header option. When enabled, the header stays visible as users scroll down the page. You can preview this behavior in the live editor. When the sticky header is turned on, you'll also have separate color options for the sticky state, allowing you to customize the text and background colors independently. Below these settings, you'll see the header blocks. These blocks control what appears in the header. The first block is the logo. It's recommended to use transparent images for best results. You can adjust the logo width, add a site name, and choose the text color. If you prefer not to use an image, you can display text instead and style it directly. You can also change the logo alignment, such as left, center, or right. Another important block is the menu. When you click on it, you'll see alignment options and a menu selector. From here, you can choose which navigation menu appears in the header. There's also a social icons block, where you can add links to your social media platforms. The available social icons are preset, but you still have styling options to customize their appearance. You're not limited to just these elements. By clicking Add Block, you can include additional items such as a call to action button, a drop-down menu, or a user menu. The user menu includes options like login, logout, library, and settings, which are useful for membership or course-based websites. Now, let's move to the footer. You can either scroll down to the bottom of the page or click Footer in the left panel. The footer also uses blocks and columns. Typically, you'll see two columns, one on the left and one on the right. These may include text, email information, navigation links, and other content pulled from your settings. The footer also includes general section settings, such as background color, borders, spacing, and layout options for both desktop and mobile. These settings work the same way as they do for other sections across the website. Once you've made all your changes, be sure to preview your site using the responsive view to check how everything looks on different screen sizes. When you're happy with the result, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully customized your header and footer, quick and simple.